I'm Baby Sadface, and this is my daddy's tutorial on top-down sand tiles.
Thank you to my amazing daughter for that awesome introduction. Now in this video, we will go over two different styles of sand tiles. So let's get started. We are going to use a 32 by 32 tile. We will also be using a feature that most programs have, the tiled mode. I'm using Aseprite, and that option can be found under the view menu. We will be tiling this on both axes. If for any reason the program you are using does not have this feature, you can find a tutorial in the description below on how to do this manually. Before we get started, I like to enable the grid so that I can see the edges of the tiles. This can be done by navigating to the view menu, clicking show, then grid. You may need to go back to the view menu to change the grid settings so that it is the correct size, 32 by 32. We now have our canvas set up and ready to paint. We will be using 3 shades of colour, and starting with the darkest shade, we will fill the entire canvas. Next, we will take the lightest colour. Starting at the edge of our tile, create an S-curve. I do this from top to bottom. We will then continue to do this all the way across the tile. As you can see, I continue from the end of the previous S-curve, keeping them connected. The next step is to add some weight to our lines. We want some areas that are thin and some that are thicker. The final step is to take the middle shade and further add to the thickness. Try to keep this shade mostly to one side. I chose the left side as I imagine that is where the light is coming from. Now adjust and tidy up any lines you feel may need it. The first tile is now finished, let's move on to the second. The second tile is a little bit more advanced, but has a very similar process. We will still use the S-curves, but this time we will branch out the first curve, which will connect again at the end. We will also continue to add thickness to areas of the lines. We then take the middle shade and continue as we did before, but this time where the branches connect we replace the lightest colour with the middle shade, creating a smooth transition. And as before, finish up with any edits you might think are necessary. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications.